All right, I was real excited to get this box today, all the way from Germany. If you notice, received in damaged condition. So that's not good. It's always hit or miss getting stuff in from overseas, but I figured I'd do the unboxing. This is a really cool vise. If it survived, fortunately, these are little plastic jaw caps. They came with it. And I should have told them not to ship it with the block. But it appears to have made it here in one piece. This is a York 60, which is 2 3/8 jaw. I think somewhere around here I had a scale, but 60 millimeters. Original paint. Handle even looks to be straight. And like I said, the original York logo sticker on it. Jaws look pretty good. The horizontal serrations just like the early Wiltons, and this is what I would call the original baby bullet. Most of you guys know the story of York and Wilton, and how the founder of Wilton was a salesman for York in Czechoslovakia. Left in the late 30s, early 40s, brought the design over and patented it in the United States. And yeah. So even though we've got the damage condition tape, looks like it survived. Just going to do a quick wipe down of this. Like it may have lost a little bit of paint there on the corner, but who knows, that could have been original. Beauty. I mean, it's a tiny little baby bullet from York, and this came from Germany, but no doubt made in Czechoslovakia.